In this video, we are on our first stop in this amazing Antarctica adventure. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are doing a Zodiac Cruise through one of the most remote places on Earth. This is Antarctica, and right now, I'm about to head out on a Zodiac Cruise in Curtis Bay. Curtis Bay is located on the western side of the Antarctic Peninsula. This bay was named after Glenn Curtis, an American aeronautical engineer. Okay, this is officially happening. And getting ready out here is half the adventure. These Zodiac boats might be small, but they are the best way to get up close with Antarctica. It can weave between icebergs, skim across glassy waters, so you can feel how wild this place really is. Curtis Bay really feels unreal. The water here is so still, it looks like a mirror. And every iceberg feels like a sculpture. No two are the same. Some are bright white, others with streaks of blue that honestly don't look real on camera. And then there is the silence. No cities, no roads, just wind, water, and ice. And just when you think it cannot get any better, the wildlife. Seeing animals here, in their natural environment, feels like you're stepping into a documentary, except you're actually in it. I don't even know how to explain this feeling. It is humbling. It's like the world suddenly feels much bigger, and I feel very, very small. Every crack in the ice, every ripple in the water reminds me that this place is alive, constantly changing, constantly moving. This Zodiac Cruise through Curtis Bay is easily one of the most surreal experiences of my life. It is cold, it is quiet, it is powerful, and it is something I'll never forget. And that is the end of our visit to Curtis Bay, our first stop here in Antarctica. If Antarctica has ever been a dream of yours, trust me, it's even more incredible than you imagine. There is something in it that leaves you breathless and makes you feel how big the world really is. Thank you for coming along with me on this video. On the next video, we will explore another area in this magical white continent. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next adventure. Ciao!